Innoaesthetics pushes the boundaries of aesthetic medicine, introducing innovative mesotherapy techniques. Introducing VPA technique, facial adipoestructuring, triple R technique, ultra hyaluronic technique, and scars reverse technique. These advanced methods have been developed by internationally renowned aesthetics experts in close collaboration with a laboratory. Innoaesthetics not only provides professionals with safe, high-quality products, but also designs techniques to optimize their efficacy and make them truly unique. VPA Technique by Víctor García Guevara. A new approach to facial rejuvenation. This comprehensive method combines 3 injections techniques in one session, targeting full face rejuvenation. It adapts to the unique dynamics of each face, boosting collagen production, redefining tissue structure, and smoothing wrinkles. Skin becomes more vibrant, firm, elastic, and radiant. Facial Adipoestructuring by Gladys Velazco, a breakthrough in facial harmonization. This technique reshapes and lifts the face by targeting the crucial role of facial fat pads. Through the strategic administration of specific vitamins and ingredients, it stimulates and lifts the fat pads while reducing oversized areas, achieving a balanced and sculpted appearance with remarkable contouring and lifting effects. Triple R Technique by Rafael Zambrano. Redensify, revitalize, reposition, the 3 pillars of facial rejuvenation. This technique applies non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid of various molecular weights, using a precise vector technique based on Cartesian mapping, ensuring uniform and optimal product distribution across the face. Assured by stimulating the skin's natural regenerative mechanisms, it enhances firmness, elasticity, and density, achieving long-lasting, natural-looking rejuvenation. Ultra Hyaluronic Lift Technique by Uriel Heading. Multi-layer renewal made simple. The Ultra Hyaluronic Lift Technique biostimulates the skin across multiple layers and delivers immediate and long-lasting lifting effects. High molecular weight hyaluronic acid is injected intradermally around key ligament zones, where it reinforces their support, enhances facial contour, and stimulates collagen synthesis to improve skin quality and density. Scars Reverse Technique by Anna Zabrovska. a revolutionary method designed to reverse scars and stretch marks. This technique consists in using a chemical peel, mesotherapy, and microneedling to restore microcirculation and normalize collagen deposition in fibrotic tissue. Results are quickly visible, with steady, long-term regeneration of scarred tissue. These cutting-edge techniques are shared through exclusive webinars and hands-on training sessions at the Skin Academy.